How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add an image background in OBS. So basically, as of right now, we are recording our video right here, but generally you just want to create your new scene, and of course you can customize this to whatever you want to. In my case, I've just inserted the display capture, and if you want to add your own image background, just click on the add new source option. From here, you then want to look for image, name your image background the way you want to, and then from here you can just click on browse. So in my case, I'm going to be putting something like this image background right here. Of course, it's going to be totally random. Let's insert this specific character, click on open, and then of course you can customize the positioning of this image background the way you want to. So for example, I'm going to put it maybe beside my face cam right here. It's totally fine. Now you can edit out, or you could crop this by pressing Alt on your keyboard. So in this way you can adjust this even further, but that's generally how you add an image background in OBS. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.